Hi guys, welcome to the video. This is the Luba. This is the Luba robot lawnmower, and it does a fantastic job in cutting the lawn. I'm not going to make a video on the grass being cut because there's many other videos like that already on YouTube. Go and check them out. In today's video, I'm going to mount a live video camera, a security camera, on it, so it would be cool just looking at it as it goes around cutting the lawn. If it gets stuck anywhere, I can see where it got stuck, and that will be awesome. Unique video, and it will be cool. Hello. What? The crazy postman has already done a video on the exact same topic. Darn, it's too late. Okay, I'm gonna have to think of something else. Remote onto this and then go. That would work. I'll be back. Okay, we're going into phone link here. And I already have my phone connected. Alright. So what do I want? I want the Mammotion app.
And also camera. There's a motion app and the camera. Okay, it's on the side. Yeah, it's on the side, so I could have mounted the camera the other way. But for now, I can just
Browse onto the phone. So now if we get both of them up, enter map mode. Give Luba a minute to come on. Actually, just looking at the wrong camera. There we go. Okay, so I should be able to, if you have a touch screen, it will make it easier. Can you actually use this? Yes, you can. Okay, so I'll just use the touch screen. There's the camera. He's going a bit slow, so let's speed him up. Luba. We won't go full speed because I'll be going on the stones now in a second, and I don't want the lift. And the camera's only on by tape, so it might fall off. Oh, the tape isn't doing a great job, so I might just make him go slower.
you can see I'm out of bounds, so I'm on the pass. No, I'm away from the path really. Let's just zoom in as far as I can. Yeah. You can see he's off the pass. What's that? Do I hear something behind me? Then I can look in the camera at the back. See if there's something behind me. Yeah. Nope, nothing behind me. I won't put it on the lane in case there's a car coming, but I will go around to the lawnmower to smooth it if the camera makes it that far, the phone. This can work over 4G, it doesn't need to have a Wi-Fi signal. You just have to play with your settings on the phone. It's a bit glitchy, it might be even better on the 4G connection.
Okay, I'm up in the garden. Yeah, it's probably better on the 4G. Let me see, can I go into the 4G mode? Turn off Wi-Fi. It should be on 4G now, if it connects. It's saying it's connected. Yes, the Wi-Fi is off there now, so let's see, can we connect to it? We can. So if I go with the camera, okay. Manual trigger, that's fine. So this is on 4G. Let's bring it back. Eek. Will the phone last? Oh no.
You probably put a better stabilizer on the cameras. So the sounds are bumpy. No zombies around here, alright. Would be handy in an apocalypse. Zombie apocalypse. My camera went because I wasn't recording anything. Okay, let's just bring that back up. You get the idea. I'll get to the lawn now and I'll tell it to go back to the charger for a while. By itself. Okay, we're back in a task area, so I should be able to just, I can't click on this, click ignore, confirm, and now tell it to go back. Will it go back by itself? No positions, okay. Okay, it won't go back because I recently moved my RTK, so I need to put it back to where, well, I need to map everything again.
My RTK and a wireless access point is on that, and on the same pole, and I think I'm going to move the access point because it may be affecting it. Does the charging work this time? Return to charger. Return to charger. No. Okay, we're just not going to win. It needs to be remapped. Beep, 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 beep. And the camera cut off again. If I went to video mode, I could just create a video and have it doing a live video like that, and then it wouldn't cut out like that. What's with the saucepan, you ask? Well, Luba sits at home all day. Is it too much to ask for a cooked meal when I get home? There's a makeshift garage. It's a bit overkill. Let's look at the other camera. Now, will that be good enough for you, Luba? Come on, Luba. Go home. Okay. Okay, well, I just have to click the button manually on it, but if it was mapped properly, it would work. So yeah, that concludes my little video. Might be able to set up an Xbox controller or something for, instead of having to control it by a mouse or a touch screen. So we'll try that in another video maybe.